Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Moving abroad is an exciting adventure, new culture, new opportunities, and new experiences. But there's one skill that can make or break your transition: learning the local language. Whether you're moving for work, study, or a fresh start, speaking the language will help you connect with people, navigate daily life, and even boost your career prospects. So, how do you learn a new language effectively before your big move? Stick around, because today we're breaking down the best strategies to go from beginner to confident speaker before you even step off the plane. Number 1. Why learning the language before moving is crucial. Imagine arriving in a new country and not being able to ask for directions, order food, or understand basic instructions. It's frustrating, right? Learning the language before you move helps you avoid cultural misunderstandings, build relationships with locals, gain independence, no relying on translators, improve job opportunities. But where do you start? Let's dive into the step-by-step plan. Number 2. Setting realistic goals. You won't become fluent overnight, but with the right approach, you can reach a functional level before your move. Here is how to set SMART goals. Specific: I want to hold a 10-minute conversation in Spanish. Measurable: I'll learn 20 new words per week. Achievable: I'll study for 30 minutes daily. Relevant: We'll focus on survival phrases, first greetings, shopping, transportation. Time-bound: I'll reach A2 level in 3 months. Number 3. Choosing the right learning method. There's no one-size-fits-all method, but here are the most effective ways to learn. 1. Language apps great for basics. Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise. Best for vocabulary and gamified learning. 2. Online tutors for speaking practice. italki, Proply, Verbling. Practice with native speakers one-on-one. 3. Immersion even before you move. Watch movies, TV shows in the language Netflix, YouTube. Listen to podcasts, new slow versions available. Label objects in your home with their foreign names. 4. Traditional classes, structured learning. Local community colleges or online courses, Coursera, Udemy. Mix and match these methods for the best results. Number 4. Mastering key phrases first. Before diving into grammar, focus on survival phrases. This include greetings, hello, thank you, goodbye. Directions, where is, how do I get to? Shopping, how much, can I have? Emergency phrases, help, I need a doctor. Memorize these first, they'll be your lifeline in the early days. Number 5. Practicing daily without burning out. Consistency is key. Here is how to practice daily without overwhelm. Morning, 5 minutes of vocabulary flashcards. Lunch break, listen to a podcast. Evening, 10 minutes of speaking practice, even if it's talking to yourself. Little and often works better than cramming for hours once a week. Number 6. Overcoming the fear of speaking. Speaking is the hardest part for many learners. But remember, mistakes are normal. Appreciate the effort. Start with simple sentences and build up. Record yourself speaking to track progress. Pro tip: find a language exchange partner tandem, HelloTalk, to practice with a native speaker who's learning your language. Number 7. Cultural nuances and nonverbal communication. Language isn't just words, it's also gestures, tone, and customs. Research: is directness valued, or is politeness more important? Are their gestures considered rude? How do people greet each other? Handshake, kiss on the cheek. Understanding these will help you avoid awkward moments. Learning a new language is challenging but incredibly rewarding. TORCAP: set clear, realistic goals. Use a mix of apps, tutors, and immersion. Master key phrases first. Practice daily. Consistency beats intensity. Don't fear mistakes, just speak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. You've got this, and once you move abroad, keep learning Immersion. will accelerate your skills like nothing else. Good luck!